I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll learn strategies to find x-intercepts. At times we also say solution of an equation, right? And we can say roots of the equation. That means kind of same thing. To start with, we'll take a few examples. Let us say the first example for us is a straight line, y equals to 2x minus 3. Let that be the line. We need to find x-intercept. What does x-intercept means? It really means that y equals to 0. Wherever the graph of the line crosses x-axis, right? So it means graph will cross x-axis. That is x-intercept. That is the basic concept, right? Now, so at that point, y is 0. So we basically have to substitute y equals to 0 to find x-intercept. So we'll do that. We'll substitute y equals to 0 here. So we get 0 equals to 2x minus 3. Bring 3 this side, 2x, divide by 2. So we get x-intercept here as, so we can write down that x-intercept is at 3 by 2 or 1.5 comma 0. 0 is the y value, right? So that is how you could do it. Now here is a practice question for you. Let me rewrite some equation of line. Let's say 2x minus 3y equals to, let's say 5. So you need to find x-intercept for this line. Strategy is to substitute y equals to 0, solve for x. Do you see that? So the answer I'm giving you is, when I write this 0, that number is not there. So we get x equals to 5 over 2, right? It is like this. Okay. Let's take more examples. So let's take an example where let's have a function which is kind of like this. Y equals to 2x minus 6 divided by 3x plus 4, let us see. Now for this function, which is a rational function, how do we find the x-intercept? Well, y equals to 0. So we'll write 0 here and solve for the equation, which is 2x minus 6 divided by 3x plus 4. Now, how do you get 0? When numerator is 0, right? Or you could cross multiply, which is 0 equals to 2x minus 6. Bring 6 here, equals to 2x divided by 2. We get x. So 3 equals to x. Is it okay? So that is how you could find x-intercept for a rational function. Here is a practice question for you. Let me write down this as y equals to 3 plus 2x. Let me write like this, okay? 1 minus x. Okay. Find the x-intercept for this one. Let me write down the answer. It should be x equals to, when is the numerator 0? At minus 2 over 3, right? So if I divide this by, 3 over 2, right? Minus 3 over 2. So if I divide 2 by 2, I get 1. Multiply by 3, minus 3. Or solve for the numerator to 0. Right. Anyway, you know the answer, so you could easily check your solution. Let's take up another example. This time I'm taking a quadratic equation. So let this equation be y equals to x minus 4 whole square. Now if I write a positive number here, will it have an x-intercept? No, it won't. Let me show you. Let's say a positive number 9. Now in that case, if I write 0 for y, 0 equals to x minus 4 whole square plus 9, bringing 9 gives us minus 9 equals to x minus 4 whole square. Now square root of minus 9 equals to x minus 4. Well, that is not real. A square cannot be negative. Either way, what we have? No solution. So at times, you may not have any solution for x-intercept, right? So this particular case is, a parabola which opens up from 4, 9, right? So this is, let me sketch this to just show you a small version here, okay? So the parabola will be kind of, at x equals to 4, kind of like this. Do you see that? So that parabola has no x-intercepts. Okay. So let's take up another example where we have some x-intercepts. So let me write down this equation with negative 9 this time. So we get y equals to x minus 4 whole square negative 9. So if I do negative 9, bringing it here when it is 0, x minus 4 whole square negative 9, bringing it here gives me positive 9, right? X minus 4 whole square root plus minus 9 equals to x minus 4. What is square root of plus minus 9? I mean, plus minus square root of 9 is plus minus 3. That is x minus 4. So we get two solutions in this case. Let me continue on the right side. So the solutions would be x equals to, bringing 4 to this side, 4 plus minus 3. So depending on which sign you take, if you take the plus sign, you get 7. If you take minus sign, you get 1. So this equation has two different solutions. So you could have two x-intercepts, right? So this one is kind of coming downwards, kind of like this, right? I mean, this is not the real diagram. I mean, not to the scale, but just showing you that if these signs are opposite, then we get two x-intercept. But if we have same, then we do not have any x-intercept when the equation is given in vertex form. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Feel free to post questions. Thank you and all the best.